What's up everyone? 403 Bros back with another video. Today I'm going to be working on the MK1 Rabbit. So what I'm going to do is today we're going to be pushing those bumpers in. So I'm going to spin you around. And these MK1s in US came with these struts that are filled with oil. Something about the crash safety rating. So naturally these things sit pretty far away from the body. So today, I'm going to be drilling those out and doing a little bit of a bumper tuck. So you can see how far that sits back. Give you a reference point there. Same thing with the front. Sits pretty far forward. So, what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in the bottoms of these and compress all the fluid out, and maybe even take them off. It's just 2 bolts on each side that hold them, so we'll see. I'm going to get set up. Alright, so I got my drill here. I think it's like a 7/32 bit. Just anything really. I got a drain bucket ready. I'm gonna skate all over the yard on this stupid creeper because it's damp out. And I'm just gonna pretty much just get after it. See what happens. There's shit coming out of the block. Let me go get a rag. So basically, I just went right in between the tow hook hole, right in the center, just drilled up. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so I re-drilled the holes. Like I said, I went right through the middle of the tow hook up on both sides. This side's still dripping. This side isn't. I went in a little bit deeper and made sure all the stuff was out, and sure enough, more stuff came out. So, yeah. I actually wanted to know if, don't mind the trunk, it's gutted. I wanted to know if I could get these bumpers off. So, you can see those look like 18s or 19s. This side, I actually put an impact on, and it breezed right out. So I'll check and see what they were on the impact. I think they're 19s. Yeah, 19s. So, crazily enough, they came out. So I haven't touched that side yet because they're a little bit rustier. So, I'll see. But for now, I think I'm going to try to figure out why that shit don't close. I'm going to set you guys up on the tripod. And I'm going to see if I can get any movement somehow. Alright, so this is going to be a little bit barbaric. But some people back into buildings. So I don't have a building to back into, so I'm just going to take a flat piece of wood. Oh, that's going. That's going really easy. Alright. So I'm going to set you guys up so you can watch. Oh, yeah. So, I'm going to come onto this side, do a little more over here. Hello. if I'm going in anymore or not. I really think I am. Nope. It's kind of bouncing. So I think that's maybe all she wrote. How this is going? This side's going as much as I want it to. Alright. So you're where I'm at. This side I'm in pretty far. Tucked in pretty good. Now this is loose. I gotta remember my GTI flare is gonna stick somewhere here. So I might be able to come in just a hair more. Alright, so I'm not sure what's going on here, but when I push this side in, oh, that's what's going on. Mind you, I just drilled that out more and was beating on it, and it didn't do anything. Jesus. So, like I said, use good drill bits. I don't know if this is going to push in as far as I want now. It was bouncing back. Well, this side's not letting me go in any more than that. This side lets me go in as far as I want. So, I think what I'm going to do is try and get all 4 of the bolts out and go from there. I don't think there's anything else holding this in. Look at that, guys. No bumper. Let's just get this out of the way and relish in that hair. Tyler's been dying since the day I got this car to take the bumpers off. Well, Tyler, here you go, buddy. She's bumperless. The back, anyway. Wow. Oh man, it does look so good without them. Wow. I didn't want to like it as much as I do. I guess if I had the European bumpers, those tiny ones, I wouldn't care. But damn. I'm in such crappy light. Wow. That looks so good. Check it out. So good without the bumpers. All the garbage in there. Oh yeah. Bunch of debris. Cool. Man. Alright, so as you can see, this side for whatever reason is just not collapsing anymore. This side went in pretty much almost all the way. Alright, so I was pretty much collapsing this into here. You can see where that collar is. I'm pretty much flush there. And I'm pretty damn close on this side too. So, I think what I'm gonna do is clean up the junk in the holes and then just slide it in and see how it fits. Pretty much just cleaned them up with the flap wheel, knocked all the rust off. And that way there, they breeze in and out. So, version 1.0 of this car is gonna be kind of more of a rat rod. My plans are pretty much get it running and driving excellent, clean up the interior, sort everything out mechanically, and obviously replace the top, slam it, do some wheels and tires. So you can see much more inward. Much more inward. I think it's going to be bumpers on for inspection until I can get some Euro ones or some small black plastic ones. But yeah, this was a good success. I'll take a quick measurement and see how far from like the center we're sticking out. Looks like we are 3 inches and 1/8. We're hitting there. Alright, drilled this one out a little bit more, worked it back and forth, and I think I'm about as far in as I'm going to go here. So, definitely looks a lot better. A lot better tucked in. Doesn't look like it's jetting off the front of the car anymore. To the same spot again. Now we're at 1 inch and 1/8, exactly 1 inch and 1/8. So we went in 2 full inches, and I have to say I'm quite happy with that. That looks so much better. So side is it's pretty even. So, I think now all we gotta do is see if we can get that front one off. So, I'm gonna pop the hood and see if that's gonna be a possibility. Got the hood popped. As you can see on passenger side, there's one there and one there. And it's gonna be the same thing. If you can see, there's one there and one back here. This is just Tyler's Miata battery, so we can move it in and out of the garage. I'm gonna set you guys up and see if I can get these off. Alright guys, so I got the 4 bolts loose. I already showed you the 2 on each side. I basically have just a few threads holding the entire front bumper on. I couldn't get any power tools in there, so I had to just do it all by hand. They weren't that bad. This one bolt, which is the last bolt, was a motherfucker. And now it's out. So, moment of truth, Tyler.
Think you can get it off yourself, or you need my help?
Oh no, she's good. Ready?
Oh boy, he forgot something.
No, everything's unplugged. It's just
Snaking the wire out.
so. We've only been wanting to do this since I got the car like 6 months ago. So, moment of truth.
Oh god.
Oh baby.
Oh god, she looks so much better.
Oh baby.
It's like reverse Botox. Oh my god.
Good.
It looks so much better.
So much better without a bumper.
That thing was heinous. I couldn't believe they sold it with that on there. Looking at that, like, why?
Alright. Come back here.
Why? You can see they're tucked. They do look good.
They look good.
But
they look better off.
they look so much better off. Ooh. Ooh, close it. Close it.
I already cleaned up the I vacuumed out the holes.
Oh my god, that looks so much better.
Fire.
Look at that.
Fire. Wait till it's got 15 by 8s and it's slammed.
Yeah.
I'm going 8 wides.
Offset's horrible.
I'm going 8 wides.
Look at that.
Dude, it looks so good. So right. It's so proper. It is so proper with no bumpers on it. So good.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, so we got all the bumpers tucked. We showed you that. Showed you how to take them off. 4 bolts in the back, 4 bolts in the front. The front bumper had some plugs for the lights. I unplugged those. It's literally just plugs. And the driver's side, one of the bolts on the front, underneath the hood here, was the bracket for the horns. And I think it's like maybe one of the grounds or something, but I have to put that back together and figure out what all that is. The horn's not working right now anyways, so I kind of got to do that while work on that anyway. But yeah, guys, so they're tucked and technically now they're deleted too. So now our goal is to try and get both of the cars in the garage, but that's a different story. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. More Mark 1 content coming soon. Later.